Okay, before you turn these in, it's good to put these over here and use them like that, but you need to delete those. It makes the file bigger, especially with that many images. So when you upload it, it may take longer, and sometimes if the file gets big enough, it won't upload at all. Okay, I'm going to zoom in so I can see a few things. You don't want to ever use underscore for a title. In fact, we do not use underscore except really because it does show a link, so that's about the only thing that underscore is used for. Also, you don't want a period at the end of a title, so remove that period. And title should be in all caps, or not all caps, but capitalized all the important words. So next and best and things should have been capitalized. Okay, there's text boxes over here that aren't used, and there's another one that's not used. I see, it's a watermark of sorts, except it needs to be in the background. It needs to be on the master page so that it can't be deleted like I just did. This is an excellent TOC. You did a good job with that. And you showed how to do the drop cap. The page number, when I double click it, goes to the master page. This is excellent. You did that correctly. Okay, then the 2-page spread. Looking at it at a glance, I can see some white space that shouldn't be there. A couple of things that you can do to get rid of white space. Let's look at the size of your text. This is 10. It can go as high as 11. So if you need, say for instance, up here is one area. So if you need that to be larger, you can make it larger. You can make it larger a little bit at a time to see what best fits. You don't really want it that large, so you don't want it to go more than 11. So go back to the maximum of 11. And if you need to, you could resize this image, although it looks really nice right where it's placed. That is a good, well-placed image. So you could put something else over here, resize this, and you could add another image over here or an auto shape with something in it focusing on something that was said in here. This should have been removed. This story can fit. That does not belong there. That was part of the template. Same thing down here. That should not be there. Looks like you left that on a number of them, and that needs to be removed. Again, no periods at the end of the headings. And the last page wasn't done. There's nothing about this newsletter in that last page, and it should be.